Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can charge your Lenovo XT95 Pro earbuds. So it's very simple. All you have to do is just to input both earbuds inside this charging case, the left and the right one. Then close this case, and next you have to prepare some kind of the cable. It's actually the USB-C cable, as you can see at the bottom of the case. So it's located right here. So here I have this random cable. It's actually from my private phone, and the second end of the cable, it looks like that. That's the USB-A, of course. We can plug it to the charging brick or to PC, laptop or power bank. I'm gonna plug it actually to this random charging brick. I'm using this brick to charge my phone, and this end, of course, you have to plug to the electricity. So when you do this, as you can see, this case will light up, and also indicators of the earbuds will also light up. It means that right now our device is charging, and it will take around 1 hour to fully charge your case and earbuds. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.